Huh. 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 Oh. Huh?
Today we'll be coding with our robot Dash and his friends using the Wonder app on our iPads. When you open the app, hit the play button and it will take you to the main hub where you'll be able to choose from different activities. Before we get started, we need to make sure that you are connected to the correct robot. You will either see a plus sign or a picture of a robot in the top right corner of the screen. Press that button and it will start searching for robots. You need to make sure that your robot is circled in green with a check mark. If not, press your robot's number. It can be found on your iPad and on the back of your robot. I'm using OWL number 1. Once you are connected, hit the white X and it will take you back to the main screen. Today we'll be exploring the controller, which shows the basic controls of Dash and his friends. You can control him 2 different ways. The first way is with the thumbstick, found on the left side. Using your finger, you can move him forwards, backwards, turn him left, and turn him right. You can also hold your finger to the side to make him turn in circles. The second way to control him is by tilting the iPad. First, press the lower button under the left thumbstick. You will then put your thumb in the middle of the circle and tilt the iPad to make him move. On the bottom right, you will have the speed controller. You can either make him go fast or slow by sliding it up and down. You might want to start with a slower speed while you learn his controls. On the bottom left, you will have the color slider. This tab changes his side and shield colors by sliding it to the different colors. The right thumbstick controls his head so he can look around. You're able to move his head as you drag your finger on the screen. In between the 2 motion sticks, you will see 3 circles. Each circle will make Dash and his friends greet you a different way when pressed. By sliding your finger across the top left, you will find 16 character buttons. You can press any button to make Dash and his friends say the sound or saying. There are 10 buttons along the top right to record yourself. Make sure that we aren't saying anything inappropriate while recording. You will first push the record button, then pick a number. Hit the record button again and wait for it to count down. 3, 2, 1. Hi, I hope you're having a great day. Once done, press the red record button to stop. Then you will press the check button and it will send recording to your robot.
Hi, I hope you're having a great day.
Tap the back to the app button to go back. When you want him to play what you've recorded, you will press your number and he will say what you have recorded.
Hi, I hope you're having a great day.
The last buttons are for his face lights. They are found under the red microphone circle. His face lights will change when you press the different buttons. Now that you know what all the tabs do, we are ready to open the Wonder app and have fun with Dash and his friends.